Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I would like to talk about the journey from technique to personal style. Every artist starts in the same way. We learn the basic, we practice brush control, color mixing, values, composition, and different watercolor techniques. We watch demonstration, read books, and try to paint like artists we admire. This is an important stage. Without learning the basics, it is difficult to grow. Techniques are like the alphabet. Before we can write our own story, we must first learn the letters. In the beginning, many of us copy paintings or follow tutorials. There is nothing wrong with that. It helps us understand how experienced artists think and work. But at some point, we need to ask ourselves an important question. Am I painting like someone else or am I paint like myself? This is where the real journey begins. Personal style is not something we can create in one day. It develops slowly through practice, experience, and patience. It grows as we paint more and more. Many artists worry too much about finding their style. They keep asking, "What is my style?" But believe we should not chase style. Instead, we should chase improvement. Style often appears naturally after many years of painting. Think about your own work. Maybe you enjoy painting soft morning light. Maybe you loved old streets, peaceful village, boats, flowers, or mountains. Maybe you prefer loose brushstroke instead of detailed work. This choice slowly become part of your artistic style. Our style also come from our personality. Some artists are bold and expressive. Others are calm and quiet. Some enjoy strong colors, while others prefer soft and limited palettes. There is no right or wrong. Every artist sees the world differently. One mistake artists make is trying to copy the style of a famous painter forever. It is wonderful to learn from great artists, but we should not become their shadow. We should use what we learn and then add our own thoughts and experience. Technique give us confidence, style give us a voice. Imagine two artists painting the same landscape. They use the same paper, the same brush, and the same colors. But when they finish, the paintings look completely different. Why? Because each artist has their own way of seeing the world. That is the beauty of art. Another important part of developing a personal style is making mistakes. Sometimes our best discoveries happen by accident. A watercolor bloom, an unexpected colors mix, or a loose brushstroke may teach us something new. Instead of always trying to be perfect, we should stay open to learning. We should also paint subjects that truly inspire us. When we enjoy the subject, we paint with more feelings. The painting become more personal. For me, I enjoy painting nature and peaceful places. Those subjects inspire me and allow me to express my emotion through watercolor. Every artist has something different that speaks to their heart. It is also important to remember that style keeps changing. Even after many years of painting, we continue to learn. Our paintings today may be different from our paintings 5 years from now. That is a sign of growth, not failure. The journey of an artist never ends. So instead of asking, "How can I find my style?" maybe we should ask, "How can I become a better observer? How can I enjoy the process more? How can I express what I truly feel?" As we continue to paint, our personal style will slowly appear without us forcing it. In the end, technique is the foundation, but personal style is what makes our work unique. Technique can be taught, but your personal vision belongs only to you. No one else has your experience, your memories, or your way of seeing the world. So keep learning, keep practicing, learn from others, but do not be afraid to be yourself. Every painting you create is another step on your journey. Thank you very much and happy painting.